Arm strength is important for yoga practice, even for beginners. It prevents fatigue in resting postures and provides a stable base for inversions and flying poses. In Bakasana, the crane pose, for example, you need your triceps and deltoids to lift the body. Your shoulders are also needed for stability in these poses, which helps you focus on your breathing. Hello and welcome to the lindyyoga.com podcast. You can also do exercises to strengthen your arms to improve your overall strength. Yoga teachers usually include arm strengthening exercises in their warm UPS. Start in a hip-width stance and gently stretch your triceps with your fingertips. Remember that these arm strengthening exercises require some practice to master. The most important muscles of the upper arm are the biceps, triceps and deltoids. The forearm and wrist also play a crucial role in arm strength. The biceps and triceps push and pull, while the deltoids are a combination of pushing and pulling. These muscles work together to keep your arms straight. In addition to strengthening your biceps, you can also do other arm exercises to strengthen your shoulders. One such exercise is the supine position. This pose is a great example of strengthening the one-armed arms. In this pose, one arm lifts the body and the shoulders keep it upright. You can also complete the pose with a press, where you bend the elbow and push the body back up. One of the most difficult poses in yoga is called Chaturanga Dandasana. It requires a solid core and strong arm muscles to perform it properly. The following 11 common yoga poses for strengthening the arms will help you develop the strength in your arms to perform this pose. These poses can be practiced independently or one after the other. You can also adapt the poses to suit your body's needs. Besides chaturangas, there are many other yoga poses that promote arm strength. Chaturangas are great for developing arm strength, but be sure to align them correctly to avoid injury. If you make a mistake in alignment, it can lead to shoulder pain. Another good yoga pose for strengthening the arms is the side plank. This pose trains one arm at a time, and there are many variations you can play with. Yoga is all about balance. A balanced yoga practice should strike a balance between strength and flexibility. Some people are naturally flexible, while others need to work a little on their strength. While some yoga postures are not very strenuous, others can lead to serious injury. You should discuss your options with your doctor before starting a yoga practice. Developing arm strength in yoga can be beneficial for your body and mind. It improves your overall health and gives you a sense of personal strength and confidence. It also helps you perform weight-bearing poses with more ease. Read the full article on www.lindyyoga.com and discover the 11 amazing yoga poses to build arm strength. With how-to videos. Just click the link below the video.